In this video, I will show you how to share large documents within D2L with other faculty at APSU so they can upload it into their course. For example, if you were doing a guest lecture for someone and you needed to share a large file such as a PowerPoint that has audio or a video. So first of all, you want to go into D2L and just go into any of your courses. It doesn't matter which one. Hit Resources and then Yuja Media Services. We'll take it a moment to open. You may have to click a few things if you've never logged into Yuja before. Now, if you're just sharing, you don't have to worry about getting admin rights. But if you're wanting to create a video, you are going to have to contact IT at APSU, and they will have to remote log into your computer and give you access to be able to create recordings. For this purpose, for just sharing files that you've already created, the only criteria is that both of the faculty have actually logged into Yuja. So if I was wanting to share a file with you, you would have had to log into Yuja, which is what I just did. So for your name to show up in the list of people that can access Yuja, you have to log into it. So that is one criteria, that both faculty have to do that before you can share. So I'm going to first upload a PowerPoint with audio. So you just go to Upload, and then you can browse. And then I'm going to find, here's just a PowerPoint with audio that I did called Testing. I'll open it. Then I am going to start the upload. Just takes a second because it's not very big. And then you can click on it if you want. It's right here. And test it and make sure that it's working properly. Testing, check. Just making sure that this works. Okay, so I can hear the audio, and then I will close that. Now, to share that with someone, you're just going to hover over it like this, and you're going to have an option that says Share. So you click that. Then you're going to want to select who you're going to share it with. So just depending upon whatever their name is, then you can just select their name as long as they have logged in to Yuja before. Then you want to select if you want them to have full access, edit only, or read only. You would hit Share, and then you have to, their name will pop up here, and then you have to select Save. Okay? So that will cause it to then show up in their shared with me file. It'll show up right here. So that's pretty much your part as far as sharing something. Now, if you wanted to share a video, you can do that also. So like I have a video here that I've made. So I will share that. I can start the upload. So that, it's taking a little bit longer here. But you can share, larger files that way as well. Or even if it's something that you have made, within Yuja, if you're creating recordings, then also you can just hover over it. It takes it a little bit to process because it's a video. Now, the awesome thing about uploading it to Yuja is it's also eventually, it takes a little bit of time, but within hours, it will create closed captioning and a transcript and everything that they can download. So that is the way that you're going to share it. And then next I will show you how to get it into your course when someone has shared something with you. So next, if you are the recipient, if someone has shared something with you, you would do the same thing, just go into a course, click on Resources, click on Yuja. And when you go into, it takes a little bit to upload, when you go to shared with me, then the files would be here. No one has shared anything with me, but you guys can if you want. I'd love to watch your videos and your PowerPoints. But this is where it would be, under your shared with me content. So in that case, when it would be under shared with me. Now, PowerPoint with audio is a little bit different than you can do with videos, so I'm going to show you both. This is first a PowerPoint with audio. So with a PowerPoint with audio, because D2L converts it to a PDF, it makes it, you have to upload it a little differently. So on this, you want to actually click on the PowerPoint, okay, and then you're going to have to download it. Check.
Just making sure that this works.
And then you want to open it. And then you're going to want to actually save it. So you would save it, save as, just, remember where you save it. So then you would have it saved on your, desktop or however you're saving it. So then from there, you're going to go to your class and wherever you want it to go, you would choose that. So you can do new, you can do upload file is one way, and my computer, upload, and then just find where it is. So I have this PowerPoint here, and then I'm going to add it. You can choose either one of those. I had already uploaded it once before, so that's why I was saying create or overwrite. And then it takes it a minute to upload. So then it's going to go to the bottom of wherever you are, wherever you put it. So here it is here. So it's testing. Now, as you can see, it's going to upload it just as a PDF. So that is not going to, have the audio playing. So the student will actually have to download it. So once it pops up, the student can either download it from here or click beside here and hit download. And then they're going to want to open it with PowerPoint. And they can, of course, save it if they want. But to be able to hear the audio, they will have to go to slideshow.
Testing, check.
And then they should be able to hear the audio on your PowerPoint. Now you will want to instruct your students that they'll have to do that because otherwise they're not going to be able to hear the audio. So you'll need to put something like that in your instructions that they're going to have to actually download it and put it in slideshow to be able to hear the audio on the PowerPoint. So that is the way that you can share large PowerPoint files with audio between instructors and courses in D2L. So next I will show you how you can share video. When you are sharing a video, it's a little bit easier because it doesn't convert it to a PDF in D2L, so you can save a few steps. So in that case, you would just go to where you want the video to be inserted. You would hit New. Then you're going to select Create a File. So when you select Create a File, then you go to this little sideways triangle and hover over it. It says Insert Stuff. Like a play button. Then you're going to go to Yuja. Takes it a moment to upload and you'll see this, but to see the videos that you have, if you just scroll down, you can see this one that I just recently uploaded called Closing. So that someone shared with, if you should see what people have shared with you as well. So you would find what they've shared with you. You hit Insert. You'd have to give it a name, and then save and close. So in that case, then, you could test your video, just make sure it's working and all of that.
So now you know.
And then this one,
physical health,
you see if you hit closed captioning right here, you can have the
P movement,
the closed
your
captioning.
For...
So that is the way that you can share videos or PowerPoints with audio between courses in D2L. For example, if you're doing a guest lecture or you have some content that you want to share with another faculty and you are not the instructor for that course, then that should help you to share those large files. Hope this helps.